everyone, it's Lisa. Welcome back to LGS. Welcome back to my channel. So as you read in my description today, we are going to be unboxing the June 2019 Tribe Beauty box. I received this box free in PR2 review. And for those of you who are not new to my channel, my sisters, my loves, you know that this is my very first PR box. So I'm a little bit nervous and I don't want to screw it up. And you know I'm going to screw it up because I screw up all my words and I drop stuff. And you know what I'm like, right? I do it all the time. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about the box and then we're going to unbox it. So the box came like this in this beautiful little pink box. It is $34.99 US. It comes out every 2 months. So the next box will come out in August. And I do believe you can still get this box. I will leave my link down below in the description box, and I think you get 10% off when you go through my link. And if you live in Toronto, because it's a Canadian box, woohoo! If you live in Toronto, you can go downtown Toronto, just send them an email, and you don't have to pay for shipping. You can pick up your box. And I know at one point, if you lived in Buffalo, you could have picked up your box down there. Now, I don't want you to quote me on that. Send them an email and ask first if you live in Buffalo instead of paying for shipping. But shipping to the USA is $4.99. Shipping to Canada is $6.99. And oh my goodness, everyone, they ship to the UK. Shipping to the UK is $12. And they also ship to Europe and South Africa. Isn't that freaking awesome? So I would suggest if you live in the UK, Europe, and South Africa, and you just want to make sure that they do ship, send them an email. Again, my link is down below in the description box. I just have to say, go Raptors. Please, everyone, like my video. Show Toronto Raptors some love. Give Toronto some love. We haven't won anything since 1852. Honest to God, that's not true. I think the last time we won something in sports was in 1992 or 94, or both years, with the Toronto Blue Jays. I mean, we don't even need to talk about the Toronto Maple Leafs. We just need to pray for them. But the Toronto Raptors tonight, the game is tonight. We do have a chance of winning the NBA title. So, yeah, give this video a like if you're going for the Raptors. And if you're not going, if you're not from Toronto, still give the video a like. We need some love up in here, okay? It's a cold day here in Toronto. All right, so we're going to get into this box. And this is my umpteenth million time trying to unbox this video because I'm so good, plus it's nervous. You know what I'm like, because I'm a wingnut and I goof things up all the time. Yeah, so if you're new to my channel, hi. I do a live last Friday of every month at 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. And I have a beautiful, wonderful group of sisters. We all get together. We have a girls' night. It's so much fun. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell. Don't forget to like the video and come see me on our live. We have a lot of fun. All right, so it comes with a card. It tells you how much everything costs, and it's all in USD. All right, so the first thing in this box is the IBY City Limits eyeshadow palette. This is $20, and I got the IBY highlighter on today, which I really like it. All right, so this is what it looks like, and I've already swatched it a few times because, like I said, I'm a wingnut, and I've done this video a couple times already. Let's take off the plastic. Stop being a wingnut. All right, here we go. And I'm just going to swatch a couple of colors for you. Some of my favorites, which, it's going to be that one. Love. And for my girls who always want me to wear blue, well, guess what now, honey? I got a blue eyeshadow. There's this beautiful green shimmer. Gorgeous. Then we have, this is a gorgeous matte right here, too. I can't wait to use that one. And here's another beautiful matte as well. And the colors of the eyeshadow is on the back of the box. All right, so I'm just going to put this right here. And you know me, I'm going to get this swatch all over my clothes. Actually, I have my husband's shirt on, so let me tell you, if I end up getting makeup on this shirt, he's probably going to kill me. Like, he's worn this shirt every day since playoffs, so it's like the lucky shirt or something. You know what you're like, right? All right, the next thing in this box is Simply Angelic, and it is a diamond lip gloss, and it's in the shade Angelique. I love this. Look at this packaging. Isn't that gorgeous? And it's got a little gem on the top. It is beautiful. And it's like Dusty Rose. That's the color. And I believe there were other colors that you could have gotten, other colors in the box. So that is $18. Next we have Dr. Botanicals Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil. Here's the box. And this is $26. So that's pretty cool. Let me see if it's got a smell. Look, see, I got lipstick on my hands. I just don't want to get anything on this shirt because my husband's going to kill me if I do. I want to know if it's a smell. Miss me. No, not much of a smell. There's a little tiny scent. A little tiny scent. So that's good, right? Because I know people with sensitive skin. I have sensitive skin, so sometimes a strong fragrance will break me out. So that's pretty cool. I don't have to worry about that. Oh, next thing in this box. I know I love me some eyeshadow brushes. This is the Crown Brush Rose Gold Eye Set, $19. So it comes with 4 brushes, and I think this is so cute. I don't think I've ever seen a brush like this. It's for your eyebrows. The Deluxe Brow Lash Groomer. It's for your eyelashes and your eyebrows. Wow, that's pretty neat. I've never seen a brush like that. Then we have the BK39 Chisel Fluff. And this is to put your eyeshadow on your lid, which is awesome. Then we have the Oval Smudger, and that's if you want to put some eyeshadow, you know, just smudge in, make a smoky look and under your eyes. So that's pretty cool, right? I'm probably, you know, I could have probably showed you a lot better, been more professional with my unboxing. Next we have, and it says here, the Deluxe Precision Details Bullet Shape Brush. So I'm assuming that you could have gotten this one, which is the BK17 Round Angle Blender Brush. And I really like this. Do you see how there's an angle on it? So I really like that. So I'm thinking you could have gotten this one or the Bullet Shape Brush, which that's pretty cool. Love me some brushes. The last thing in this box, I told you. I mess up my words. It's bound to happen, and I'm probably going to drop something too, because that's going to happen, is the Wonder Beauty Dive-In Moisturizer. I love this box. It's so elegant. The packaging is so elegant. This is $36, and it is a lightweight, non-greasy moisturizer, 72 hours. Wow. A strawberry fruit extract is in it. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful packaging? There's a shine here. And I already opened it. It did have a safety seal. It comes out with a little pink. And it's got a very, very, again, light scent. It's not overly powerful. So it's really good if you do have sensitive skin. I cannot wait to try this. I love trying moisturizers because I have dry skin. So I just love getting a new moisturizer to try. So yeah, that's everything in the box. Again, it's $34.99. It comes out every 2 months. You do have to pay shipping unless, like I said, you can, you know, go downtown and I'll find out about Buffalo if you can still pick up your box in Buffalo. But for $34.99, we got the City Limits IBY eyeshadow palette. We got the Wonder Beauty Moisturizer, Dr. Botanicals Superfood Facial Oil. I mean, that's really, really good. Then we got this beautiful lipstick. I love the packaging on this. And like I said, I think you could have gotten different colors. And we got brushes. I love brushes. So I am going to be doing a review on this in the next week to come on some of the items in this here box. By the way, everybody, the secret word is Tribe of Sisters. The secret word is Tribe of Sisters. And for you who are new, who would like to know what that's all about, go watch some of my previous videos, okay? Secret word is Tribe of Sisters. And for those who are new, if you want to know what this is all about, if you would like more followers on all your social media accounts like Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, oh my God, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram, and all the rest of them. Send me in a picture or a postcard. No nudes. We don't want any nudes up in this place, okay? We don't do nudes here. We don't do it. But send me in a picture or a postcard. Please remember to put in all your social media handles, and I will give you a shout out on my next video. And when I do get your card, I then take out my little pink goodie bag, pick out 3 items. You get to choose which one you want, and I post that in the mail to you. If you're going to, send me in a picture or a postcard, then it's only right that I give back. I'll give you a shout out. Hopefully you get more followers. Hopefully you get more free stuff, and you also get a goodie from my goodie bag. That's it, everyone. Please don't forget to like my video. Like it for the Raptors. Show us some love. Go, Raptors. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Love ya.